Here's a beautiful 1947 Cadillac Series 62 Club Coupe, also known as a Sandinet and a Fastback. It's probably one of those beautiful body lines of any Cadillac ever built. Very popular cars, very rare. It's one about 7,200 built in 47. This particular car came out when I got it. Came out of a large private collection. Guy had a bunch of cars, and this car I've actually owned for about 4 years now. This car was part of our own collection. Such a neat car. This car is probably restored 20, 25, 30 years ago, but they started with a really nice clean car. It has a kind of a few mild custom features to it, which was done on a lot of these cars back in the day. You know, they did the two-tone paint, which looks really nice. They painted some of the trim, which is tastefully done. It looks good. It can all be put back to stock if someone wanted to do that. You just take the pieces off and then re-chromed. There's no pitting or anything done to them. They did shave the door handles on both doors and the trunk lid. Again, those could put back to original, or it's a nice sleek look if you wanted to keep the custom motif, which I think looks good in the car, and I wouldn't change it. But that's just me. Everyone can make their own decision. The car is absolutely completely rust free. It's one of the nicest bodies I've seen on one of these 47 Cadillacs, or any Cadillac in the 40s. There's absolutely no rust underneath, no rust in the body. The body's straight as an arrow. Everything fits perfect. Just a nice untouched car. All the chrome is actually really nice. That's actually the rest of the chrome that's chromed is nice. Bumpers are beautiful. The grille is excellent. If you want to be extremely picky, there's a few little flaws right here in this piece, but I mean, you gotta be looking for it. I wouldn't touch it. The chrome emblems are nice. All the stainless around the windows are nice. All this chrome is really nice. Chrome tail lights, the rear bumper chrome is amazing. This chrome strip body, the body line separator there is excellent. All the glass is excellent in the car. Again, a little custom feature, they etched little roses in the glass here. But you can hardly see, and it's a cool little custom touch. You know, it's kind of a custom that was done like in the 70s, I would say, 80s, 70s look, but very cool, very retro, fits today perfectly. It's got 40, I believe, actually these are actually, I thought they're 57, but actually they're earlier hubcaps on the car. They're mint condition, the tires are excellent. A little older tires, the bias plies, but they're still very nice. Good tread and everything. Paints, it's a lacquer paint job. This car's been painted for a long time, but it shows beautifully. You know, if you get really close inspection, there's a couple little water spots here. They're kind of etched in the paint. Overall, it's in really nice shape. You know, a couple little chips been touched up here. It's a few little marks here. You know, if you get really picky, you can pick apart a few things on a paint. Overall, it shows very well. So there's some lacquer checking here. A little bit right here where the old handle used to be. A little bit here and here, a couple spots. But the rest of it's actually really nice. You know, again, it's been done for years, So it's really nothing. You won't have to do anything to it to drive and enjoy it the way it sits. Even in the wheel wells are nice, painted. The doors are on remotes, but the keys are in the car there. They do pop open. You can see the interior is really nice. Steering wheel's nice. There's one little hairline there. It looks original steering wheel on it, so you can see how nice the car was. Dash looks like it's either amazing original or beautifully restored. Very nicely done. Very nice headliner. Interior is the original broadcloth. It has been redone. New carpet. Done correctly. Got the handles here. The grab handles. The front seat's done very nicely. Carpet's done nicely. All the gauges are nice. Jams are nice. Weather stripping's nice. Sill plates are original, nice. Just tell the little things on the car to show that it's always been a very nice, well-kept car. Mirrors, these are those visors and stuff, definitely original on it. Mirrors original. All this chrome on the dash is original. I almost believe that's dash been painted because it's too nice, but it could be original. I think it's too nice to be original though. You can see how nice the inside the glove box, beautiful. The radio I can't seem to get work in. It's got an FM tuner which lights up, but again, the gauges all seem to work. Horn works. This is the original Cadillac Identification card with the original owner's name and where it came from. Very cool piece. Not many of them have that in the left yet. Door panels on this is mint. Overall, very nice car. Under the hood, again, very clean. It does have an upgrade motor in it. The motor is a 1950 Cadillac V8 with Offenhauser dual carb intake. It's all painted and restored under here. And obviously this engine runs a lot better than the factory with the flathead V8 that was in it before. I guess that got cool hot rod touch, so the whole kind of vintage hot rod theme. Windshield wiper, it's all the bottle and vacuum, everything's connected. Usually that's missing. Under the hood's nice. Lever under there latches this. Inside the trunk, it's all very clean and redone. Correct spare tire holder. Under the trunk, nice, clean. Nice and tidy car, you know, put together well. Again, this is a remote that pops the doors. The car starts right up. good old cruiser, fun car, and it's way underpriced compared to all the other 47 Fastbacks out there. In this car, you know what you're getting. So it hasn't been messed with very much. Not a junkyard rat someone tried restoring.